Most people settle for ordinary, convinced that greatness is beyond their reach. But true mastery isn't given, it's earned through relentless dedication, attention to detail, and a refusal to accept anything less than perfection. If you want a life worth remembering, build something timeless. This isn't just about cars, it's about legacy. Welcome to No Brainer Biz, the place where you come to learn about luxury careers. Stick around until the end for more information about this luxury career path. Step into the world of Canepa. Rarest vehicles in the world come to life, and every stitch, every thread carries a story of passion and luxury. Canepa is where the automotive legends are reborn. This isn't just a workshop, it's a sanctuary for the rare and the extraordinary. From classic Aston Martins, modern Pagani Huayras, every car that enters these doors demands nothing less than perfection. Imagine this. On your first day, you're handed a challenge that seems impossible. Restore the interior of a Rolls-Royce Phantom to its former glory. As you run your hands over the cracked leather and faded trim, you realize this isn't just upholstery, this is the soul of the car. With each stitch, you bring it back to life, transforming a worn seat into a masterpiece that reflects both heritage and luxury. The life of an upholstery apprentice is more than just work. It's an immersion into the world of precision and artistry. Each morning begins with planning. You select materials like Alcantara, Napa leather, and hand-woven fabrics, ensuring every choice complements the car's legacy. Afternoons are spent crafting, sewing intricate patterns, shaping materials to fit complex contours, and installing soft-top roofs with precision. Evenings are for innovation, whether it's creating bespoke interiors for a Bentley, restoring a vintage Ferrari's dashboard, you push boundaries, blending tradition with modern techniques. The rewards of this career go beyond the workshop. Imagine seeing your work unveiled at events like Pebble Beach, or Goodwood Festival of Speed, where the world's wealthiest collectors gather to celebrate automotive excellence. Financial rewards are impressive too. As a skilled upholsterer, you can earn up to $80,000 annually with opportunities to work on the most coveted cars in the world. But the real luxury? Traveling to exclusive events, collaborating with elite clients, and knowing your craftsmanship shapes history. So, how do you step into this world of luxury and precision? Begin with specialized training. Programs at schools like Wyatech Automotive School teach the fundamentals of upholstery and interior restoration. Seek hands-on experience. Intern at a facility like Classic Coachworks, where you'll gain real-world skills working on high-value vehicles. Network at elite events. Attend gatherings like the SEMA Show or Amelia Island Concours d'Elegance. Connect with industry leaders and showcase your passion for automotive craftsmanship. This career isn't just about skill, it's about vision. To stand out, you must understand the artistry behind every detail, from the grain of the leather to the symmetry of the stitches. Those ready to take their craft to the next level, read The Art of Leather Inlay and Overlay by Lisa Sorrell. It's a guide to mastering the techniques that elevate upholstery from a job to an art form. At Canepa, you're not just restoring cars, you're creating stories that will be told for generations. As an upholstery apprentice, you become part of a legacy that transcends time. Until next time, stay inspired and dream big. Discover more in the description about becoming an upholstery apprentice. For more videos like this, check out this next video.